Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best hand blenders that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the OXO Powerful 4-in-1 Hand Blender, 300W, Black. This 4-in-1 blender from OXO ranks as one of the best handheld blenders in the market. Just as it looks solid, it also delivers amazing results. The 4-in-1 unit blends, purees, chops, and whips a range of food items. The sturdy cutters together with the 300-watt motor work on grains, vegetables, fruits, soups, sauces and other foods. It looks very elegant thanks to the sleek design and is also easy to use and carry courtesy of its compact and lightweight. In addition to being BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, consumers love the powerful motor, simple design, easy to use, and energy efficient. The only disadvantage is the short power cord. Moving on at number 4, we have the KOIOS Powerful 500-watt Hand Blender. If you want a powerful motor, then KOIOS hand blender is a good fit for you. The blender comes with a 600 ml beaker, stick blender, egg whisk, and a 500 ml food processor. You will be able to take on multiple tasks such as chopping, emulsifying, blending or whipping. To make it more versatile, the company designed the 8 inches blending shaft safe to use with other items. You can use it with deep pots, plastic cups, and mixing bowls. The hand blender has 6 to 12 variable speeds and even comes with a turbo button. The purchase is also backed by a 2-year warranty. At number 3, we have the Immersion blender, Aicok 4-in-1 hand blender. This 3-in-1 immersion blender by Aicok blends, chops, and whisks. It's constructed from food-grade stainless steel for improved hygiene and safety and comes with a simple design for improved productivity. The top-grade blades are linked to the powerful 350-watt motor and the speed can be varied to suit the application. It has an ergonomic handle for improved handling, comfort, and safety and a smooth surface for easy cleaning. Its positives are the simple design, easy operation, adjustable speed, ergonomic handle, powerful motor, and good quality. The negative is the loud motor. At number 2, we have the Epica 4-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender. Pureeing, grinding, blending, mixing, chopping, juicing and many more functions is what this elegant handheld blender by Epica is meant to do. The quality piece comes in a 4-in-1 design for improved productivity. It features a 350-watt motor for fast and efficient mixing, one-click design for easy fitting and removal of attachments, and easy control design for maximum efficiency. For improved performance efficiency, it features a variable speed control. Key merits of the blender are the powerful motor, not very noisy, easy to use, and sturdy construction. The demerits are that the slowest speed still feels a little fast. And finally at number 1, we have the KitchenAid KHB1231HT 2-speed blender. This 2-speed hand blender by KitchenAid comes in a simple and practical design. It will enable you whip food items fast, easily, even in tight places. The KHB123HT comes in a one-handed design for easy operation while the ergonomic handle provides a good grip. The 2-speed setting allows you to choose the desired speed while the removable 8-inch blending arm makes cleaning and storage convenient. It comes with a 3-cup BPA-free plastic blending jar and is available in over 10 colors. Notable advantages include decent speed, ergonomic design, easy to use, practical, and easy to clean. The main downside is that it's a little noisy.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.